all the buttons are not working.
Now all the columns and the row of the keypad are working perfectly well. So what could be the problem? So there's a problem somewhere. When you use your multimeter to measure the round parts, the row and the column, it's reading perfectly well. So and it's not, but it not operate. And let's go deep. Let's go deep. So I'm trying to remove the motherboard from the case now. Okay, so after removing the motherboard, I discovered that I need to change these charging ports, because most of the problem, the problem that normally cause this kind of the thing that normally cause this kind of problem is the charging ports. Maybe there's a misalignment, or possible some terminals are contacting each other, they are touching each other. So I will need to remove the charging ports. This is a culprit, but let's confirm it. Let's be sure. In this case, I discovered that let's remove it first. Let's see. But this is mostly the problem. The charging port. Just replace the charging port and it may work. And let's see if this one will work. Let's see. But first of all, once you have this kind of problem, disconnect the charging port, remove the charging port and try it and test it again. Let's follow me. This is me removing the charging ports, trying to clean the pad, making sure it's aligned well, not is touching each other. Now let's test it now and see the results. Without the charging port, let's test and see the results. Now watch and wait carefully, patiently. Now let's try it and see. Yes, you can see now. Yes, it's working. All parts of the keyboard are working perfectly well. The moment we remove the charging ports, so every part is working well. Now watch with me and see how I'm going to change charging port now. I've changed the charging port successfully. Put new one. Now let's copy it. Let's copy it back. And make sure that you align this keypad flex very well. Make sure you align this well. Sometimes if you don't align it well, so it may stop or it may hinder some parts not to work. So you need to be very careful. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, like and follow, like my YouTube channel. That is the only way you can help me to grow. Thanks very much. Thank you for watching. Now let's see the end results. After changing the charging ports, let's see the end results. S2, 1, 3. So all parts are already working. I'm just making sure every part is still working. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. I watch. I'm going to clean it, align it back. Thank you.